Hey 402, it's Miss Murray. How are you today? I'm sorry it's taken so long to get to this point where I can read to you, but I found a place that finally would let me make copies for your packets. So I've been getting them together and hopefully I'll get to the post office tomorrow. This week we're going to read out of the Pete the Cat Treasury, and the first book is called Pete the Cat, Pete at the Beach. It's by James Dean. It's a hot day. Pete the cat goes to the beach with his mom and his brother Bob. Let's go in the water, but Bob says. Maybe later, says Pete. Bob likes to surf. He rides the big waves, and it looks like fun. I'm hot, says Pete. Go in the water, says Mom. Maybe later, says Pete. Pete makes a sandcastle. His mom helps him dig. Here comes a big wave, and there goes Pete. Oh no! Where did his sandcastle go? Bob rides a big wave. Wow, says Pete. That looks like fun. Looks like his sandcastle got smashed in the water. Pete and his mom take a walk. They find seashells and they see a crab. Pete's feet get wet. His feet feel cool. The rest of him is so hot. It's time for lunch. Pete eats a sandwich and he drinks lemonade. The sun is very hot, and Pete is very, very hot, and Bob is wet and cool. Let's play ball, says Pete. No thanks, said Bob. I want to surf. Pete throws the ball, and his mom catches it. Let's get our feet wet, Mom says. Well, okay, says Pete. The water is cool and it feels so good that Pete goes in deeper. Bob waves to Pete. I want to show you how to surf, he yells. Pete does not say maybe later. He says, let's do it. Lie on the board, says Bob. Pete lies on the board. Paddle, says Bob. Pete paddles out. He waits for a big wave. A big wave is coming. Stand up, says Bob. Pete stands up. Then Pete falls down. It was scary, but it didn't hurt. Try again, said Bob. Pete wants to try again right now. Pete lies down again. He paddles out and waits. Here comes a wave. Pete stands up. This time he rides the wave. Good job, says Bob. Pete wants to surf all day. Bob does too. So they take turns. Pete and Bob rock and roll with the waves. What a great day. It's okay to be afraid, but it is more fun to surf. The end. It's alright to be afraid of things, boys and girls, but you really shouldn't let it stop you from trying new things. Just like Pete the cat learned how to surf. I hope y'all have a great afternoon, and I will see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.